Hi everyone, welcome to Introduction of C++ language. Here in this video we will talk about overview of history, features, usage and C++ evolution, and then coming to history of C++. The C++ language is developed by Bjarne Stroustrup at AT&T Bell Labs, and it is developed as an extension of C language. It was included many OOPS concepts, and it was first introduced as C with classes in 1979, and after that it was renamed to C++ in 1982. And coming to features of C++, the C++ language is portable and then machine independent. That means here if you take this as Linux OS, and this one has CPP file which is created in Linux environment, and if we copy this one and add this file in Windows environment, and if we execute this CPP file, then the result what is the same way. The output will come for Linux OS also, the same output will come for Windows OS also. There is no difference. So it is platform independent. You can write the code in any of the platform. You can write it in Linux OS, Windows OS and Mac, any other OS operating systems also. So that's why it is platform independent. Sometimes we can make minimal changes and then we can execute the code. And coming to the next feature, it is general purpose and multi-purpose language. That means C++ language can be used to uh, what we can write different kinds of softwares, and different kinds of applications we can develop using C++. And it is high performance language. That means it provides faster execution when compared to other languages like .NET and Java, uh, Android. And then it is a high level language. That means it is easy for uh, coders or human beings to understand. They can easily read, write and understand the code which is written by others. And also uh, what is the thing is, there is another thing called low level languages or machine level languages which the humans cannot understand. It can be easily understood by only machines. It is in terms of machines which machines can understand. But the C++ is high level language only, so humans can easily understand the language. So that is about what is meant by high level language. And coming to rich standard library, so C++ language provides STL with pre-built data structures and algorithms. So we have many standard template libraries and then data structures and algorithms which will give us efficient, reusable, fast code where we can write using this STL standard template libraries. So we have many STL concepts: vector, uh, deck, list, stack, queue, set, multi-set map, multi-map. These kind of things are there, and many algorithms are present to use inside this STL concepts. And we have iterators also there, functors also there. So C++ language provides this many things. And the next feature is multi-paradigm language. So that means C++ provides procedural oriented language, object oriented language, generic programming oriented language. Procedure oriented language is nothing but in C++ we can have many functions. Uh, right what is meant by function. So those functions we can write in a C++ code. We can have many functions inside that C++ code. The same way it is an object oriented language. That means we can create object, and using the object we can write the we can execute, we can write many of the C++ code using the object oriented language. Now it can have this polymorphism, encapsulation, data abstraction, inheritance. This kind of concepts also we can use in C++, and there are many other features also there. And it also supports generic programming language. That means we have many data types like int, float, char, double, this kind of different data types we can use for we can write a same code. We can use the same code which is for function one or classes. The same code of function or classes we can use for different that data types. For each data type we can use same code. That is the generic programming. And then it follows bottom up approach. Bottom up approach is nothing but we can first we will write a small reusable components, and then we will integrate them into larger systems. So if we take the classes, first we can write the classes, then these classes can be integrated into the large code. We can implement bigger CPP file by including one by one, and then we can include that large CPP file to the big projects. And the next one is usage of C++. So C++ is used in many modern technologies, like it is used in game engines. So while playing games, it has to be fast. So that's why to implement games, most of them are using C++ language. And then we can also use it in web browsers, and for in operating systems also we are using C++. So Windows, Linux, this kind of operating systems also using to implement some of the features of operating systems. And we are using C++ in financial systems. You can take swiping machines. To build that applications of swiping machines also we are using C++. And payment gateways are there which will process the transaction. That things also we can implement it in using C++ language. And we can use to implement database also, like a ClickHouse they are using, and then any other databases also like a MySQL. To implement some of the features we can use C++ so that it will be fast. The same way we can use for our device drivers, communication protocols, real-time systems, and GUI applications. In GUI applications, we have Qtqml, where some of the inbuilt features are there in Qtqml. With that, we can implement this GUI related code and features also. GUI related features also we can implement. It can also use it for implementing large enterprise softwares. And coming to the evolution of C++, C++ has evolved over the years with several standards. So first it was introduced as 98 C++ 98 with many features, and then they have added many features, and then it evolved to C++ 11 version, and then it was then some other features they have added into C++ 14, and then also some other features they have added in C++ 17. Like that it is evolved up to C++ 2023. The last latest version is C++ 23. Some of the features we can say threads, uh, and then this smart pointers, structure bindings, variant, nested namespaces, resolving this kind of things. There are many other features that are there, range for loops, these kind of things they have introduced in the modern C++. We will talk about it later. That's all for this video. Thanks all.